Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Neha, call everyone. Neha, call everyone. Priyoshi, call everyone. Call everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Can we start? Can we start the session? Where is Johan? Where is Johan? Johan, where are you? Where is Johan? Where is Hayden? But there is, right? There is a CD going on, right? CD not over. As soon as CD over, 2 times. As soon as CD over, 2 times. CD tomorrow is the last lecture. Yeah, chalo. Nothing, Abhiraj. Take care your health. Hi, Bharat. Hi. Yeah, let's start. Let's start now. So computer network class 1 we done. Computer network class 1 we done. So the things which are required I already said. So there are 4 types of IP address, right? So 4 total IP addresses will be divided into 4, right? 5 parts. Classes of IP addresses, totally 5 types. So based on the prefix, we can easily say, right, which is belongs to which class. Yeah, Sanath saying something. Sir, please take full course for CN on YouTube. I cannot afford. Right. Right, fine. So thank you. Thank you, Sanath. Thank you so much for asking. Right. Thank you so much for asking, Sanath. But I may not say live to I may not say live to you. Right. It is not possible. Right. Fine. A, B, C, D, E. Right. Fine. So can we start now? Everything is ready. Can we start? Yeah. After 3 days, Bharat. After 3 days in the app, it will start. One more class there. Tomorrow, one more class. Afterwards, it will start. Right. Fine. This is the, I think, first 3 classes for a promotional purpose. First 3 classes for promotional purpose. 4th class onwards, you will see in the app, morning also, evening also. Morning also 1 lecture, evening also 1 lecture. Right. So 4th class, 5th class onwards in the right in EPT platform, it will be done. This is only for a promotional purpose. Yeah, fine. Let's start now. Let's start now. Everything is fine. Yeah, please let me know what is the date. Please let me know what is the date. Let me know the date. So is it 3? Right. 3, 9. Yeah, fine. Yeah, it's live only. Live only. Yeah, right. Fine. So I'm starting now. Everyone say one time good evening. We will start. Everything ready. Everything ready. Just say good evening one time. Everyone say just one time good evening. Everyone say one time good evening. So that we can start the show. So that we can start the show. Everyone one time good evening. Someone is saying screen. Yeah, I will share the screen. Yeah, fine. Everything is fine now. So I'm starting. I'm starting. Right. As I mentioned to you, total IP address contain 32 bits. Total IP address contain 32 bits. Right. There are 5 classes are there. That is also I covered. Now see this. Now see this one. So to continue further, few questions I will ask you. Please give answer to me. Few questions I will ask you. Please give answer to me. Let me ask you one small line. For the decimal number 10, what is the binary number? For decimal number 10, what is the binary number? For the decimal number 50, what is the binary number? For the decimal number 100, what is the binary number? What for the decimal number 300, what is the binary number? Please, can you do it once? Please convert all these decimal numbers into binary numbers. Because from now onward, this only will come again and again. From now onward, this only will come again and again. Can you convert all of them? Can you convert all of them? Right? Decimal number 10, what is the binary number? Decimal number 50, what is the binary number? Decimal number 100, what is the binary number? Decimal number 300, what is the binary number? Please convert everyone. Everyone start converting. Everyone start converting. Everyone. I want answer from all of you. I want answer from all of you. Can you convert all these decimal numbers into binary? Everyone, please do it. Make it fast. Because total story from now onwards, that only. Total story from now onwards, that only. So convert. So I'm converting now. I'm converting 10 binary number 101010. 10 binary number 1010. Some people are asking, sir, how you converted? Listen, very simple. Can you see everyone now? 10 binary number 1010. Some people are asking, sir, how you converted? See this one, how you converted? Everyone listen. How you convert it? 10 closest to powers of 2 you write. For the 10 closest to powers of 2 you write. I think 2 cube, which is 8. So third bit is 1. Third bit is 1. Third bit is 1. It is the 0th bit. It is the first bit. It is the second bit. Third bit. Third bit is 1. Okay, fine. So from the 10, remove 8. Remaining is 2. To this 2 also, right? Closest powers of 2. 2 power 1. First bit also 1. First bit also 1. I think over. So if you remove this 2 also, left out is 0. Stop it. So you keep on do until 0 will come. You keep on do until 0 will come. Whenever 0 will come, stop. Now again I'm requesting. Some people are asking, sir, how you convert this decimal number into binary number? Very simple. For the number 10, closest powers of 2 you write without crossing. For the number 10, closest powers of 2 you write without crossing. So 2 cube, 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. To this 2 also write closest powers of 2 without crossing. So 2 power 1. So I think from the 2, if you remove 2, total is 0. So whenever 0, stop it. So remember, so third bit is 1, first bit is 1. Remaining is zeros. If anyone is not getting, can you see the 50 also? Can everyone see the 50 also? Everyone see 50. Everyone see 50. 50 closest powers of 2 without crossing. 2 power 5, 32. 2 power 6, 64. Crossing cannot happen. So 2 power 5, 32. So can you see this one? 2 power 5, 32. See the answer? 32. From the 50, remove 32. Remaining is 18. For this 18 also, write closest powers of 2. 18 also write closest powers of 2. 2 power 4, 16. Right, 16. So remove the remaining thing, 2. To this 2 also write closest powers of 2. I think 2. 2 power 1. Which is 2. It became 0. 0, stop it. So see this one. 0th bit, first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, fifth bit. Remember, fifth bit is 1. Fourth bit is 1. First bit is 1. First bit is 1. Remaining zeros. Remaining zeros. So the binary number for the 50 is going to be 110010. 110010. Now some people are asking, sir, right? Some people are asking, sir, can you do for 100 also? Please, you all people try. Whatever way I done, can you all people try? Please try everyone. How to write 100 binary number? How to write 100 binary number? Please try everyone. Please try everyone for 100 also. 100 also, please write binary number. Please try to follow this method, because if you do traditional way, it will take a lot of time. If you do traditional way, it will take a lot of time. Please do like this. Whatever way I done, please do like that. Can you help me now? 100 closest to powers of 2. 100 closest to powers of 2 without crossing. 2 power 7, 128. 2 power 6, 64. From 100, remove 64. Remaining is going to be how much? Remaining is going to be how much? I think 26. 26 or 36. I think 36. Right, which is going to be, I think, yeah, 36. So next one, 36 also closest powers of 2 you write. 2 power 5, 32. Remaining is 4. 4 also write closest powers of 2. 2 square, which is 4. So 0, 0, stop it. So 2 power 6, 64. 100 minus 64 is 36. 36, right, closest powers of 2. 2 power 5, 32. Remaining is 4. 4 also closest powers of 2. 4, I think 0. So see this one. I think by seeing this one, you got to know highest power is 6. Lowest power, you know, 0. Highest power is 6. Let me write now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Highest power 6 should be 1. Next one 5 also 1. Next one 2 also 1. Remaining by default remaining zeros. By default remaining zeros. So finally binary number is going to be 1100, right? 100 is the binary number. This is the binary number. Next one, let's go to 300 also. Let's go to 300 also. 300 closest powers of 2 without crossing. 2 power 7 128, 2 power 8 256, 2 power 9 512. So without crossing, 2 power 8 256. I think 2 power 7 128. So 256 okay, right? 2 power 8 256. So 300 minus 256, which is going to be 44. So 44 again closest powers of 2. 2 power 5 32. Remaining is 12. 12 also nearest closest powers of 2. 2 cube 8, which is 4. 4 also closest powers of 2. 2 square. 0, stop it. 0, stop it. So I think highest power is 8. Highest power is 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th bit 1. 5th bit is 1. 3rd bit is 1. 2nd bit is 1. Remaining by default 0. Remaining by default 0. So the final binary number is 100, 101, 100. Yeah. Please let me know if anyone having any doubt. Please let me know if anyone having any doubt. Small doubt also let me know. This is the way how to convert. There is a one traditional way. There is a one traditional way to convert from decimal to binary. There is a traditional way. It may take more time. The reason why traditional one will take more time is traditional one, you will do work for 0 also, you will do work for 1 also. When you convert a traditional binary to decimal conversion or decimal to binary conversion, when you do traditional conversion, everyone you do. 0 purpose also you have to work. 1 purpose also you have to work. It will take more time. But when you do like this one, 1 purpose only work, because remaining is by default zeros. If you do like this, 1 purpose only I am working. 0 purpose I am not working. It will take less time. It will take less time. Now can you help me? Some people are asking, sir, 300, what is the binary number if you do traditional way? Can you see this one? 300, what is the binary number if you do traditional way? Can you see this one? 2 150s, remainder 0. 2 75s, remainder 0. 2, how much? 35 means, I think 75 means 36, 37, remainder 1. 2 18s, remainder 1. 2 9s, remainder 0. 2 4s, remainder 1. 2 2, see this one, see this one. If you do the traditional one, 0 also you have to work, 1 also you have to work. But the method which I done is only for 1 I worked. 0 purpose I am not working in the first method. Traditional method, everywhere you have to work. So I think 2 2s, 4, 0 remainder. Next one, 2 1s, 0 remainder. After getting the total story, right from the bottom. After getting the total story, right, whenever you got remainder 0 or 1, stop it. Right, so stop it, right from the bottom. 100 from the bottom. 101, yes. 101, 100, like this. Fine. This is the traditional way of doing. See, traditional way of doing is always divide by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. And one more thing, from this you can get the, listen, from this you can get one more clarity also. To convert the decimal number n into binary, how many bits are required? Every time you are dividing by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. So how many times you divide is log n time. So log n base 2 bits required. To represent n in binary format, the number of bits required is log n base 2 bits required. Because you are always dividing by 2, by 2, by 2. When you keep on divide until termination condition will happen, log n times you have to divide. Log n bits will come. So from now onwards, if anyone asks you how much time to convert decimal to binary, log n time. How many bits required? Log n. To convert a decimal to binary, log n bits required, time complexity also log n. But anyhow, that is the traditional one. So normal one. Please follow this method. Please follow this method. This method will be really useful from now onwards. This method is really useful from now onwards. Can I move to next? Can I move to next? This method is really going to be useful to you. Can I move to next? Are you okay with this method? Just try it closest powers of 2. Just try it closest powers of 2. Just try it closest powers of 2. Nothing there. Nothing is there. You finally you can do whatever way you want. Whatever way you want, you can do. No objection at all. Right now, because of you are really comfortable. Because of you are really comfortable. Please give answer. Please give answer to me. Please give answer to me. Everyone, please try to give answer. Because of everyone is comfortable. Because of everyone is comfortable. I want answer from you. I want answer from you. Can you see everyone? Can everyone see? Can everyone see? A class. Can you help me now? A class starting with what? A class starting with 0. A class starting with 0. B class starting with 1, 0. C class starting with 1, 1, 0. Everyone end with 0. End with 0. So D class, every time 1 bit is increasing. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Last one, end with 1 only. Last one is 4 ones. So remember D class, E class, 4 bits. Right. Now please give answer. Now please give answer. Now please give answer. Everyone be careful. Everyone be careful. Everyone be careful. See this one. Here how many bits left out? Here 8 bits. Here 8 bits. Here 8 bits. Here how many bits left out? This is A. This is how many bits left out? As it is. Now, can you help me? Here how many bits? I think in the first one, 7 bits. So it is going to be 6 bits. It is going to be 5 bits. It is going to be 4 bits. It is going to be 4 bits. Now I want answer. I want answer from everyone. I want answer from everyone. Please help me. Please help me. 7 bits, what is the minimum value possible? What is the maximum value possible? Yesterday we done. 7 bits, what is the minimum value possible? Maximum value possible. 6 bits, what is the minimum possible? Maximum possible. 5 bits, what is the minimum possible? Maximum possible. 4 bits, what is the minimum possible? Maximum possible. 4 bits, what is the minimum possible? Maximum possible. Please note down everything. 7 bits means what is the minimum possible? In the last class we done. In the last class we done 7 bits, what are the minimum possible, what are the maximum. You know, with the 7 bits, the possibilities are 2 power 7, 128. With the 7 bits, the total possibilities are 2 power 7, 128. In those 128, first one 0, last one 127. It is the 0 minimum, maximum 127. Right? Now listen everyone. Now listen everyone. This is already 0. First bit is already 0. There is no use. So I think if at all total 8 bits are there, 1 bit is already 0. 8, right? So I think 7th bit is already 0. Remaining people, if you see, minimum 0, maximum 127. So what I mean to say is, listen, what I mean to say is, if the first octet is, listen, first octet I am asking. First octet is 0. First octet is 1, and so on, and so on. First octet until 127. 127. That is a class A. Class A means first octet. Minimum 0 will be there, maximum 127 is there. That is going to be class A. By seeing the prefix, I can say it is belongs to which class. By seeing the prefix, I can say it is belongs to which class. If the first octet is starting with 0, if the first octet is starting with 0, R1, R2, or 127, this is the class A. Remaining octets, I am not talking. I am not talking about these people. My goal is the first octet only. If the first octet value is 0 to 127, it is a class A. Now, can I help you now? Interesting answer. Interesting answer. What about class B? Can you see the class B? Very interesting answer. Very interesting answer. Can you see the class B? Class B, because of 6 bits are there, minimum 0. 2 power 6 is 64, maximum 63. Minimum 0, maximum 63. Minimum 0, maximum 63. But remember, 2 bits are already outside. So remember, it is the 6th bit too. It is the 7th bit. It is the 7th bit. So there are 6 bits. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 5 is here. 6th bit is 7th bit. 7th bit 1. 7th bit 1 means 128. This 128, minimum 0. So I think if you observe clearly, right, 128 plus 0 is 128. Minimum 128 is the first octet. Maximum, this 128 plus 63, which is going to be 191. Maximum 191. If the first octet is 128 to 191, that is going to be class B. This 128 already, 128 plus 0. So minimum value you will get 128 plus 63. Maximum value you will get. It's a class B. If any IP address, so starting octet is 128 to 191, class B. Class B. How 128? See, already in the class B, first bit is what? 1. First bit 1 means 2 power 7. First bit 1 means 2 power 7. Already 1 0 out. Already 1 0 out. See, 6th bit, 7th bit out. 7th bit is 1 means 2 power 7, 128. This 128 plus 0, 128. This 128 plus 63, 191. Minimum 128. Maximum is 191. Some people are asking, how can you say minimum 128? If you want, you can see. If you want, you can see. First 2 bits are 1 0 followed by 6 zeros. Followed by 6 zeros. Last 8 bits are 1 0 followed by all ones. This is going to be 128. This is going to be 191. We are talking first octet only. We are not talking remaining octets. Because by seeing prefix, I can say it is belongs to which class. Right, next one. Can you see the class C also? Can you see the class C also? If anyone is not getting, can you see the class C also? Can you see class C? So because of it is a 5 bits, listen, because of 5 bits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 to 4 is here, 5 bits. It is the, listen, it is the 5th one, it is the 6th one, it is the 7th one. 0 to 4 is 5 bits, 5th one, 6th one, 7th one. Remember, seventh one is 1 means 128. Sixth one also 1 means 64, 2 power 6. So 128 plus 64, 192. This total becomes 192. So with the 5 bits minimum 0, maximum 31. With the 5 bits minimum 0, maximum 31. So to this 192, add minimum 0. So which will go through 192. To this 192, add maximum 31. It is going to be what the answer? 192 plus 31, which will goes to 192 plus 31, which will goes to, can you help me? How much? Verify. 2 power 5, 32 minus 1, 31. So 192 plus 31, which is going to be 3, 9 plus 3 is 12, right? Which is going to be 223. So this is, if anyone not getting, let me ask now. Let me ask you. Double one, see, 110 already fixed, followed by 5 zeros. Next one, 110 already fixed, followed by 5 ones. $223, because you are adding 31. 192 plus 31, 223. Not 224, 223. 192 plus 31. 192 plus 31. 223. It's not 224. So listen, by seeing the first octet, listen, first octet value 0 to 127, class A. First octet is 128 to 191, class B. Next one, first octet is 192 to 223, class C. Can you see the fourth octet? Can you see the fourth octet? Please get here itself. Please get here itself. Don't postpone unnecessarily. Please get here itself. Please get here itself. Don't postpone unnecessarily. It is a very easy. It is a very easy subject. It is a very easy subject. First one is IP addressing. Please go topic wise. Every year, you may get 4 marks, you may get 2 marks. Every year. Just learn properly. Can you go to the class D? Class D, if you observe, outside already 1110 there. Class D, if you observe, outside already 1110. See this one, 0 bit, first bit, second bit, third bit. It is the fourth one, it is the fifth one, it is the sixth one, it is the seventh one. Seventh one means 128. Sixth one means 64. Fifth one means 32. If you add all of them, it became 224. It became 224. With the 4 bits minimum 0, maximum 15. So 224 plus 0, 224. 224 plus 15. 224 plus 15. How much? 239. 224 plus 15. 239. So if you want binary number, first 4 bits are 1110. First 4 bits are 1110. So remaining, if you observe, so 4 zeros to 4 ones. So what I mean to say is, if the first octet is starting from 224 to 239, 224 to 239, that is the class D. That is the class D. That is the class D. 224 to 239. That is the class D. Can you go to class E also? Can you go to class E also? Everyone know. Everyone know. Listen. Everyone know. Everyone know. Right? Total. Right? Everyone know. This one, if you observe clearly, next number will come. Next number. 239. Next number 240. If you want, you can check. It is the 240 with the 4 bits minimum 0, maximum 15. Which will goes to 240 minimum. 240 plus 15, 255 maximum. Right? So how the 240? 4 ones 0. Sorry, 4 ones are there, followed by 4 zeros. How 255? 4 ones already there. Again, 1 more 4 ones. 242, 255. 242, 255. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Total IP addresses will be divided into 5 parts. A class, B class, C class, D class, E class. Then how you differentiate? By seeing first octet. If the first octet value 0 to 127, class A. If the first octet value 128 to 191, class B. 192 to 223, class C. 224 to 239, class D. 242 to 55, which is going to be class E. I hope everyone is comfortable. Everyone is comfortable. If you really comfortable, now I will give one IP address. Please say which class. I will give one IP address. Please say which class. Can you say which class? Please let me know which class. This IP address belongs to which class? This is belongs to which class? It is belongs to which class? Those people who got it, please let me know which class. Everyone give answer. Everyone give answer. First problem belongs to which class? Second problem belongs to which class? Third problem belongs to which class? First problem belongs to which class? Second one is which class? Third one is which class? Can anyone help me? Can anyone help me? Yeah, someone is saying first one. First one is class C. Can you go there? Can you go there? First one, see this one. I think first octet, you have to see the first octet. First octet 200, where? First octet 200 in this area, see. 192 to 223, I think 200 somewhere here, 200 somewhere. It is a class C. It is a class C. It is a class C. Perfect. Can anyone help me now? Second one is which class? Can everyone help me? Second one, which class? Second one is which class? Everyone, please respond. Second one, which class? Everyone, second one, which class? अरे बोल दो यार, बोल दो. Second one is which class? Yeah, I don't know. People not getting it. You only say. With the 8 bits, how 300 possible, yaar? With the 8 bits, how 300 possible? With the 8 bits, listen, with the 8 bits, larger number possible. 2 power 8, 256. 0 to 255. Larger number possible, 255. From where he got 300, yaar? He got from heaven or what? With the 8 bits, how 300 possible? He came from heaven. Is he God or what? Is he God? He came from heaven. Is this IP address came from heaven? So remember now. It is not a IP address. It is not a IP address. Because IP address, if you take any octet, you take any octet maximum 255. You take any octet maximum 255. Take any octet maximum 255. So you have to listen. This is the game what you will play. You are seeing first octet only. Yeah, I know. That is the reason I given this. I know this very well. You will do this mistake. I know that is the reason I given. You see first octet. See, if it is valid IP, then see first octet. If it is valid IP address, then see first octet. Invalid, why you see? First of all, verify is it valid or not. See, no one crossing more than 255. Maximum possibility 255. No one crossing. It is a valid. It is a valid IP address. It is a valid IP address. Next one, which class? It is a valid IP address, okay, but which class? I think this is the last class, E class. If it is a valid IP address, then say class. If it is a valid IP address, then say class. Right. Now I want answer from you. Because of you are really comfortable, only for namesake I am asking. Fourth one, only for namesake I am asking. Only for namesake. Can you help me now? 190, listen everyone now. 192, 192, 192, 192. Which class? One 192, which class? If you have doubt, you can go there. 192. 192. So I think second one, 128 to 191. Third one is 192 to 223. I think the third one, class C. First of all, is it valid? Of course. It is a valid. It is a valid and it is a class C. It is valid and it is a class C also. It is a valid and class C. I hope everyone comfortable. I hope everyone see. Yesterday, whatever I said. See, yesterday I said this. Yeah, listen. Yesterday I said this. Continuation of this. Now I want answer from everyone. Please give answer. I want answer from everyone. Everyone can listen. I want answer from everyone. Can you help me? Now? See this. What is this value? Forget about this part. What is this value? Only 0, so 0. Can you help me now? What is this part? 6 bits are there. 6 bit. 7th bit, 8th bit. So 0 to 7. It is the 7th bit. 0 to 7, 7th bit. 7th bit means 2 power 7. 128. So it is the 7th bit. It is the 6th bit. It is the 5th bit. Can you help me now? What is this value? Forget about this. Can you help me now? Right? I think 7th bit 128. 6th bit is 64. 128, 64. I think which will goes to 192. So 192. Now come here now. It is going to be 7th bit, 6th bit, 5th bit, 4th bit. So do this one. What is the answer? It is going to be how much? 192 plus 32. I think it is going to be 224. It is the 224. This is going to be 240. Forget about this. This will give minimum, this will give maximum. Don't worry about this. Right? The left of, see, remaining bits don't bother. They will give further values. Remember, these will give starting. Can you help me now? This person starting from 0. Listen, this person starting from 0. This person starting from 128. That means, listen, Above 1 is starting from 0. This one starting from 128 means until 127 is there. This person starting from 128, but this one is 192. He is starting from 192 until 191. Above 1 is there. This person is starting from 224 and before the 223 until 223. This person is there. This person is starting from 240. Before is 239. Before is 239. From 224 to 239. Right? So previous one is there. This is by default. Last one 255. Everything same. Do whatever way you like. So these are the people who are deciding minimum values. These are the people who are deciding minimum values. Minimum value decided by these people. These people are deciding minimum values. These people are deciding the minimum values. Please careful. Right? Fine. Perfect. Do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubts? Can I move further? Can I move further? If you don't have any doubt, I can move further. If you don't have any doubt, I can move further. Yeah, I can move now. I think everything is perfect. I can move now. I can move now. Everything is perfect now. I can move now. Right. If everything is perfect, I can move now. Almost you got it. Almost you got it. Almost you got it. And one more, see, people are watching the lecture and they are going. Arey, you are watching and you are going. Who will subscribe? Yeah. Arey, don't you subscribe the channel? Don't you subscribe? Don't you think it is your responsibility? Coming and watching and going. Coming and watching and going. Okay, you will listen. I will teach. You will listen. You don't subscribe. Who will subscribe? Your bhaiya will subscribe or what? Papa will subscribe. Or mama will subscribe. Who will subscribe, yaar? Arey, subscribe karo, yaar. Click on the subscribe. Arey, people watching, going. Arey, who will subscribe? Arey, can't you click? Someone is saying promotion started. Where is the promotion? Can't you click one time? Can't you click one time like this? One time like this. Can't you click it? Arey, man, click yaar. Like also, yeah, exactly. Priyosh is saying like also. Arey, please subscribe and like yaar. The people watching, going. Then your papa will subscribe. My papa will subscribe. Who will subscribe? Some Arshi is saying, I already paid member. Can't you subscribe the YouTube? Can't you subscribe the YouTube? Yeah. YouTube, can't you click? I am a paid member. I don't subscribe. Can't you click once? Arey Harsho. Can't you click one time? Chalo. Arey click, man. Those people who are not subscribing, go to hell. Those people who are not subscribing, go to hell. If anyone is not subscribing, God is seeing from top. If anyone is not subscribing, God is seeing from top. He will note down everything. He will note down everything. Those people who are not clicking the subscribe button, God is seeing from top. Arey Harsho, God is seeing from top. Arey, people not subscribing. Let's see. Fine. So fine. Can you come here now? Can you come here now? See this one. Can you come here now? So everything is ready. Can you come here now? So if you are, listen, if you are preparing for 2025, if you are preparing for 2025, you can join the crash course. If you are preparing for 2025 practice purpose, you can join RIC course. If you are preparing for 2026, 2027, you can join either 1 year course or 2 year course. 2025 purpose, if you want to join, if you want to start crash course, you can. 2025 RIC course you can join, practice course. 2026 or 27, 1 year course or 2 year course you can join. Right? Fine. Yeah, perfect. That's okay. Now let me move to my next story. Everything is ready now. Let's move to next. Everything is ready. Let's move to next. Now see everyone. Everyone see. Just I want answer from everyone. Everyone say. IP address purpose. Please see this. IP address purpose. 32 bits. IP address purpose 32 bits. IP address purpose 32 bits. Can you help me now? Total how many IP addresses possible? IP address purpose 32 bits. Total how many IP addresses possible? IP address purpose 32 bits are there. Total how many IP addresses possible? With the 32 bits, how many IP addresses possible? Every bit having two choices. So what the answer? 2 power 32 IP addresses possible. Two power 32 IP addresses possible. IP addresses contain 32 bits, so total IP addresses possible is 2 power 32 IP addresses possible. Right. Now I think everyone fine. I don't know how many people will give answer. Please help me. A class, how many IP addresses? Out of those 2 power 32, A class, how many IP addresses? I want answer from you. B class, how many IP addresses? I want answer from you. Out of those 2 power 32 IP addresses, A class purpose, how many IP addresses? B class purpose, how many? C class purpose, how many? D class purpose, how many? E class purpose, how many? Please, can anyone guess? How many? Total IP addresses are 2 power 32. E class purpose how many? D class purpose how many? C class how many? B class how many? A class how many? I want answer from each and every one. Can you feel it? Total IP addresses are 2 power 32. Yeah, I am giving answer. Listen, I am giving answer. Very interesting. Please see this one. Very interesting. Please see this one. In the A class, first bit 0. Listen, in the A class, first bit 0, remaining 31 people. You write whatever way you like. Total 32 people, right? A class, listen everyone now. Every IP address contains 32 bits. Out of those 32, in the class A, first bit 0, remaining 31. You can write whatever way you want. What is the answer? I think 31 people, you can write whatever way you want. 2 power 31 IP addresses possible. Only first bit is fixed. This is one way only. This is the one way. Right? I think 0 you have to fix. This is the one way. Remaining 31 people, 2 power 31 ways are there. Every person two choices, but the first person is only one choice. First person is only one choice. Zeros should be there. For other people, everywhere two choices. 2 power 31 IP addresses possible. If you go to class B, listen, if you go to class B, first two people are 1 0, fix. Remaining 30 people. You can write whatever way you want. 2 power 30 IP addresses possible. Because 30 people, whatever you want, you can take. See, fixed part, variable part. Variable part will give answer. Variable part will give more answer. Fixed one, I cannot get anything. In the class C, starting with 110. So I think remaining people, if you see 29 people, this is the variable part. Variable people, everywhere two choices, 2 power 29. 2 power 29 IP addresses possible. If you go to class D, first 4 people are fixed. First 4 people are fixed. Remaining 28 people, you can change. Everyone two choices, 2 power 28 IP addresses possible. So out of 2 power 32, 2 power 31 A class, 2 power 30 B class, 2 power 29 C class, 2 power 28 D class. If you see the E class, 4 ones, followed by remaining 28 people. Everywhere two choices, 2 power 28. 2 power 28 IP addresses possible. So can you help me now? Every IP contain, listen, you only say Priyoshi, it is a class or B class or C class. Every class contain 4 octets or not? Every IP contain 4 octets or not? It is a class or B class or C class or D class, whatever it may be the class. Every IP contain 4 octets. To recognize which class, you will see the first octet. But when you say IP, 4 octets you have to see. See, listen, to identify which class, then you have to see first octet. But when you say IP, all bits you have to see, na? IP means 32 bits. Is it A class or B class or C class or D class, E class? It doesn't matter which class. When you say IP, 32 bits. How many A class people? In the A class, first bit is fixed 0. In the B class, first two people are fixed 1 0. Fixed means one choice. Fixed people, one choice. In the class C, class C, 3 people fixed. Fixed people cannot change. Other people will change. Every IP contains 32 bits. Is it class A or class B? It doesn't matter. Every IP required 32 bits. But in those 32, how many people are fixed? How many people are variable? If it is a variable, everyone two choices. See, here 31 people can vary, but this is fixed part. It is the fixed part, it is the variable part. He can vary. This is the fixed part. Fixed part is one way. This is vary. It can vary. How many ways it can vary? Everyone two choices, 30 times 2 power 30. Here fixed part. Fixed part means one way. But here 29 people can vary. Everywhere two choices, 29 times 2 power 29. Here fixed part, 4 people are fixed. 28 people can vary. So 2 power 28 IP addresses. Here 4 people fixed. 28 people are keep on varying. So 2 power 28 IP addresses. Exactly. Because in the D class also 4 people fixed. In the E class also 4 people fixed. Both D and E, both are 2 power 28. Because if you want, you can verify. See, if you want, you can verify. If you want, you can verify. See, in the D also 4 people fixed. In the E also 4 people fixed. Right? That is the reason. Now see the answer. Interesting. Interesting. Listen. Now see the answer. Interesting. Interesting. A class people 2 power 31. Can you see this one? A class people 2 power 31 IP addresses. Can you see the B class 2 power 30? Can you see the C class 2 power 29? Can you see the D class 2 power 28? Can you see the E class 2 power 28? Now let me add this. Let me add this. Let me add this one. Everything I will write in terms of 2 power 28. It is a 2 cube into 2 power 28. It is a 2 square into 2 power 28. It is a 2 into 2 power 28. It is a 1 into 2 power 28. It is 1 into 2 power 28. Yeah, 2 power 28 common. 2 power 28 common. From the first one, 2 cube left out. From the second one, 2 square left out. From the third one, 2 left out. From here, 1 left out. From here, 1 left out. Can you count total? It is a 8. It is a 4. It is a 2. It is a 1, 1. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. This can be written as 2 power 28 into 16. This can be written as 2 power 28 into 2 power 4, which is equal to 2 power 32. Can you help me now? All total came or not? All total came or not? If you add all of them, total IP addresses are 2 power 32. Total IP addresses are 2 power 32. You add all of them. Add all of them. Add all of them. You will get 2 power 32 again. Everyone add. Everyone add. 2 power 31, 2 power 30, 2 power 29, 2 power 28, 2 power 28. Add everything. Add everything. It will become 2 power 32. Total K. See, fixed part cannot give anything. Variable part only can give. Fixed part cannot give anything. Variable part only will give. In the case of A class, 1 bit fixed. In the case of A class, 1 bit fixed. From the 32, remove 1 bit. 1 bit fixed. From the 32, remove 1 bit. So to 31. In the B class, 2 bits fixed. From 32, remove 2. So 30. In the C class, 3 bits fixed. From the 32, remove 3, 29. In the D class, 4 bits fixed. So from the 32, remove 4, 28. In the E class, 4 bits are fixed. From the 32, remove 4, 28. In exam they will ask you. Total IP addresses how many? 2 power 32. In that class C is how many? In that class C is how many? In that class D is how many? In that class A is how many? Class B is how many? He will ask whatever you want. He will ask whatever you want. Some people are asking, sir, A class or B class or C class, I have to see only first octet. True. By seeing first octet, you will say it belongs to which class? By seeing the first octet, you will say it belongs to which IP contain 32 bits. Is it A class or B class or C class? Every IP contains 32 bits. Fine. Is it okay? Is it okay? Can we move further? Can we move further? Make it fast. Can we move further? अरे बोल दो यार, बोलो यार. Can we move further? Yeah, if you comfortable this story, Listen, until now you really done nice work. Until now you really done nice work, right? Fine. Now observe properly. Listen, observe properly. So until now you really done nice work. See the interesting story. One more small story starting. Indirectly, directly, these only. Everyone listen. One more different way. One more different way. One more small story going on. Can you catch that also? Can you catch that also? See this one. A class. A class. Or class A. Whatever you can call it as. A class. So A class contain 32 bits. Okay. Listen. A class contain 32 bits. Okay. B class also contain 32 bits. That is also okay. Everyone listen. C class also contain 32 bits. That is also fine. See one more story coming. One more story coming. Please listen. One more story coming. Please listen. C class also 32 bits. That is perfect. D class also. E class also. Observe properly. Observe properly. In the A class 32 bits, listen, in the A class 32 bits, which contain 4 octets, every IP address contain 4 octets. 8 here, 8 here, 8 here, 8 here. Every IP address contain, right, 4 octets. These are 8 bits. It doesn't matter which class. Every IP address contain 4 octets. That is okay. Now listen everyone. Now listen. Every IP address contain 4 octets. That is fine. But in the case of A class, listen. In the case of A class, what happened is first 8 bits. In the case of A class, first 8 bits. Network part. Remaining 24 bits. Host part. What it means, you will get to know. What it means, you will get to know. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? You only say. Your name also contain 2 parts or not? Your name also contain 2 parts. Your actual name, surname. Your name also contain 2 parts. Your actual name, surname. Right? If I take someone, what is your name? You will say, my name is Pawan. What is your surname? He said Sharma. Oh, Pawan Sharma. Oh. So what is your name? Right? Ajay. What is your surname? Goyal. Ajay Goyal. Okay. So what is your name? Narendra. What is your surname? Modi. Narendra Modi. What is your name? Rahul. What is your surname? Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi. Oh, fine. So like that here also. In the A class also, there is a network part, host part. In the B class also, because of their different classes, definitely there should be some change. In the B class, network part is 16 bits. Host part is 16 bits. Why they done, you will get to know. In the class C, slowly it is increasing. See, network part here 8 bits only. Host part is 24. But here network is 16. Host also 16. Right? Next one, if you see the class C, network is 24 bits. Host is 8 bits. But remember, in the class B and class E, there is no division. No division. In both of them, there is no division. In the class B, no network, no host. In the class E, no network, no host. Why they are dividing? Within few minutes you will get. Within few minutes you will get the total story. Why they are dividing? Why they are dividing? Same. How you have name? You have name, surname also there, actual name also there. It is also same story. It is also same story. Now those people who got little bit idea, please give answer to me. Please give answer to me. Everyone listen. Yeah, please give answer to me. Class C, network part, how many bits? Class C, network part, how many bits? Give answer, everyone. Give answer, everyone. Class C, network part, how many bits? Can you see the small story also? Small story, what is going on? Small story, what is going on? Can you catch it? Class C, network how many? 24. Host how many? 8. Class A, network how many? 8. Host how many? 24. 24. Class B, network is 16. Host is 16. Right now, what I mean to say is, listen, what I mean to say is, everyone observe, everyone observe. I am talking about class A. Because of you got little bit idea you got. See this one. It is a class A. It is a class B. It is a class C. See everyone now. Class A. Class B. Class C. Careful. Observe everyone. Observe everyone. Can you catch this also? Can you catch this also? In the class A division, because of is the first one, right? So if you see the division 8, 24. 8 is the network, 24 is the host. Class B slowly increase, 16, 16. Class C slowly increase, 24, 8. Initially small division, 8 remaining. Little bit bigger, 16, 16. Little bit bigger, 24, 8. So D and E, no division. Now some people are asking, listen, now some people are asking, I think yesterday we done also. Yesterday I explained also, remember, network part purpose 8 bits. Everyone listen, network part purpose 8 bits. If the network part purpose 8 bits, in the class A, listen, class A, network part purpose 8 bits means 2 power 8 networks possible. 2 power 8 class A type networks possible. In the case of class A, network purpose 8 bits means 2 power 8 networks possible. Class A type, 2 power 8 networks possible. Some people are asking, 2 power 8 class A networks possible. That is okay, sir. Sir, one class A network contain how many hosts, sir? Means how many computers? How many computers? Remember, 2 power 24 hosts possible. Because host purpose 24 bits. 2 power 24 hosts possible. Means what is the meaning? One class A network contain 2 power 24 computers. One class A network contain 2 power 24 computers. 2 power 24 hosts. So what I mean to say is 2 power 8 class A networks possible. 2 power 24 hosts per network. If anyone having small doubt, multiply. What is the answer? Number of class A network 2 power 8. For every network, how many hosts? 2 power 24. Totally. Listen, totally 2 power 32. But one question I want to ask everyone. 8 bits for the, listen, 8 bits for the network part, okay. But in those 8 bits, 1 bit fixed or not? 8 bits purpose, network purpose. 8 bits for network purpose. In those 8 bits, 1 bit fixed or not? 8 bits for network. 8 bits are network. In those 8 bits, 1 fixed or not? Because of fixed part cannot give anything. So that 1 bit you left out. 2 power 7 class A networks possible. Right, next one. In the remaining 24 host purpose, 2 power 24 hosts possible for one network of class A. Then total number of hosts possible is 2 power 7 into 2 power 24, which is going to be 2 power 31. These many IP addresses. Remember, every host, every computer, one address. Every computer, one address. Every computer, one address. 2 power 7 networks possible of class A. Every network contain 2 power 24 hosts. So overall, all the hosts, if you see, 2 power 31. Now, those people who are not getting, can you see once again this? Can you see once again this? Everyone listen. Actually 8 bits, listen. Actually 8 bits for the network. Actually 8 bits for the next network. Out of them, one fixed, only 7. With the 7 bits, so 2 power 7, right? Class A networks possible. In the similar way, can you see this one? 16 bits for network, 16 bits for host. So let's see this one. 16 bits for the network, out of them, 2 people fixed, so 14. So 2 power 14, class B networks possible. Class B networks possible. For one network, if you observe, 2 power 16 hosts possible per network. Network of class B. 2 power 16 hosts for one class B network. Similar way, can you come to class C? Similar way, can you come to class C? Actually, 24 bits for the network part. In that class C, 3 bits are fixed to 21. So 2 power 21 networks possible. 2 power 21 class C networks possible. So next one, if you take the one class C network, I think host purpose 8 bits, 2 power 8 computers you can keep. Host means computer. 2 power 8 host per one class C network. If you say total how many? 2 power 21 into 2 power 8, which is going to be 2 power 29. This also 2 power 14 into 2 power 16. Yesterday I done same story, dividing into 2 parts. Totally 8 bits are there. I divided into 5 and 3. 2 power 5 into 2 power 3. Same thing we done. Next one. 2 power 24 hosts possible for one class A network. Total is 2 power 31. It is a 2 power 30. It is a 2 power 29. Do you have any doubt? Yeah, some people are saying, sir, class A network purpose 8 bits, na? Then 2 power 8 networks possible. 2 power 8 networks possible, but out of them, 1 bit is fixed. So 2 power 7 only. Sir, class B purpose network is 16, na? Why you taken 2 power 14? Out of them, 2 bits are fixed. See, first octet bits are, few bits are fixed. Remaining people, see, remaining octets having lot of flexibility. First octet, few bits are fixed. So, is there anyone who is having doubt? But remember, class D, class E, no division. Yeah. So 2 power 31. Total hosts possible is 2 power 31. Total hosts possible is 2 power 31. Are you comfortable till here? Are you comfortable till here? Are you comfortable till here? Everyone. Check any small doubt also there. Any small doubt also there, please check. See, small things you have to remember. Class A division. Class A, 824. Class B, little bit increase, 1616. Class C, little bit increase, 24/8. But remember, network part contain first octet also, where bits are fixed. Please careful. Network part is network and host. So initial part is network. In the network part, first octet also, where some bits are fixed because of that little bit decreasing. Other than this, nothing. Now it is the correct time to ask you. Please help me. Class A type, how many networks possible? Class A type, how many networks possible? Class A type, how many networks possible? Everyone. Class A type, how many networks possible? Class A type, how many networks possible? 2 power 7? 2 power 7? Right? 128 networks possible. Can you say every network? Listen, 2 power 7, 128 networks possible. Every network, how many computers you can connect? Every network, how many computers you can connect? 2 power 7, 128 networks possible, I am okay. 128 networks possible, I am okay. Out of those 128 network, every network, how many computers you can connect? 2 power 24 or not? Means what I mean to say is, listen, everyone listen. Class A type, 128 networks possible. Class A type, 128 networks possible. See the answer. Class A type, right? 128 network. See this one. In the class A, 128 networks are there. See this one. One class A. Careful. I am writing here. One class A network. One class A network assigned to. One class A network given to TCS company. Can you help me now? How many computers TCS company can connect? TCS people bought one class A network from internet service provider, ISP, internet service provider. From the ISP, TCS company bought one class A network. How many computers it can connect? If any company want the internet, they have to buy from the ISP. They will go to internet service provider. They will ask. TCS company went to the internet service provider. TCS company asked that, right, ISP, I want one class A network. Whenever they will buy one class A network, right, 2 power 24 computers they can connect. 2 power 24 hosts they can connect. 2 power 24 hosts you can connect. Now listen everyone now. 2 power 24 means, everyone listen. 2 power 24 means, everyone listen. 2 power 4 into 2 power 20. Which is going to be 4. Yesterday I already mentioned. K means kilo. Listen everyone. K means kilo. M means mega. G means giga. So 2 power 10 K, 2 power 20 mega, 2 power 30 giga. So what is the answer now? 4M. 4M hosts are possible. In one class A network, which is bought by the TCS company, right? 4 million. See this one, 4 mega, right? Not million and all. 4 mega computers you can connect. If I want more internet connections, I will buy one class A network. It may be costly. If I want more IP addresses, to my organization, I want more IP addresses. I will go to the service provider. I will buy one class A network. I will get the 4 mega IP addresses possible. 4 or 16, sorry for that. 16 mega IP addresses possible. 2 power 4 is 16 mega. Yes, exactly, 16 mega. Yeah, you are correct. Next one. If I buy, listen everyone now, if I buy one class, listen, if I buy one class B network, if I will go to the internet service provider, I will buy one class B network, I will buy. There are so many class B networks are there. I will buy one class B network. Let us assume one of the company, Infosys, some name I am saying. Infosys company went to the internet service provider and it is asking to my organization, please can you sell one class B network? Yes. Then how many hosts he can connect to? 2 power 16 hosts he can connect. 2 power 16 is nothing but 2 power 2 power 6 into 2 power 10. 2 power 6 is going to be 64K hosts you can connect. 2 power 6 64. 2 power 6 64, 64K hosts you can connect. Right, next one. There are some companies will go to ISP, they will ask internet service provider, I want one class C network. I want to buy one class C network. Class C means 24 bits for the network, 8 bits per host. So one class C network is buying. Then what happened is he can keep. Suppose there's some company, small company, I think startup company maybe. Right, startup company maybe. So what is the answer? 2 power 8 hosts possible. 2 power 8, which is going to be 2 power 8. I think what is the answer? 256 hosts. Now it is the correct time to ask you. Listen, it is the correct time to ask you. It is the correct time to ask you. Small organizations will buy which class? Small organizations will buy which class? Small organizations will buy which class network? Which class IP they will buy? Small organizations will buy class C. That is the reason they divided. Depending upon your requirement, you can take whatever you like. Suppose some big organization there, maybe TCS, maybe NASA, big organization, whichever you can consider it as a bigger one. Bigger organizations will prefer class A network. They will buy right one class A network. They will get huge number of internet you can say they will get the huge number of IP addresses. Middle level companies will buy class B. Small companies will buy class C. Bigger organizations for class A, middle organization class B, small organization will buy class C. Right? Depending upon their requirement, they will buy whatever they want. That is the purpose of this entire story. That is the reason they divided. If you don't divide, I want small, but I have to buy big. If at all no division is there, startup company also have to pay that much huge amount. Who will pay? For every IP, they have to pay some amount. 16 mega IPs. 16 mega IPs. Who will buy those many? Startup company cannot buy that. Next one, startup company cannot buy 64K IP addresses because they want hardly very few. If startup company want very less, why you give 64K? Why you give 16M? If the bigger company want more people, why you give less? So best idea is they made 3 models. You want more, then go for class A. You want less number of IPs, go for class B. You want medium, class B. You want very less, then go for class C. According to your requirement, you can select whatever you want. You can select whatever you want. Is it okay? Is it okay? In one class A network, TCS company bought, TCS in the sense, my intentions, if you want, I will change the name. Infi. TCS Infi. Assume that big companies, big organizations will go there. Now, can you say one middle company? One middle company. Let me give some middle name. I think small startup, small software companies, small software companies. Maybe I can say, yeah, let's go for, what can I say? Can you say middle companies? Any middle company you want to say? Some middle companies. Let us in the TCS Infosys is bigger. Some middle companies may not be like TCS Infosys. May not be like TCS Infosys. Anything else? Some middle companies where less number of employees are there. Middle. Less number of employees. Can I say Ola? Can I say Ola? Maybe Accenture? Maybe HCL? Accenture company, assume that middle company. Middle level. Some startup companies, small companies. Small companies prefer class C. Middle companies prefer class B. Big companies prefer class A. Yeah, someone is saying Zoho. Yeah, that is also fine. I think everyone is comfortable. I think mostly most of the students are perfectly fine. Most of the students are perfectly fine. Now listen everyone. Everyone listen. I am talking about class A. Please give answer to me. I am talking about class A. Careful everyone. I am talking about class A. Class A, how many bits for the network? Class A, how many bits for the network? How many bits for host? Class A, network purpose how many bits? Host purpose how many? Class A, network purpose how many bits? Host purpose how many? Network purpose how many bits I am saying? I am not saying how many networks possible. Network purpose how many bits? Network purpose how many bits are? Class A, network purpose total bits how many? 8. Total 8 bits. Maybe one person fixed, but I am asking how many bits? Network purpose 8 bits, host purpose 24 bits. Everyone observe. Class A network, if you observe, 8 for network, 24 for host. Now I want answer from you. With the 8 bits, listen, network part purpose is 8 bits. With the 8 bits, can I represent? With the 8 bits, can I represent 20? With the 8 bits, can I represent 20? Network purpose 8 bits, okay. With the 8 bits, can I represent 20? With the 8 bits, can I represent 20? Of course, I can represent. Some people are asking, how you represent 20? Can you say 20 binary number? 20 closest powers of 2 power 4, 16. 20 closest powers of 2, 2 power 4, 16. Remaining is 4. 2 square 4. 2 square 4 means fourth bit and second bit 1. Remaining things are zeros. Can you see this one? See this one? Everyone now. 0th bit, first bit, second bit 1, third bit, fourth bit 1. But total is 8 bits. Total is 8 bits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 to 7 total 8. Can you see, is it 20? Class A, right? If you take the one class A, network purpose 8 bits, host purpose 24. So using 8 bits, I am representing 20. Using 8 bits, I am representing 20. Can anyone help me now? Because of it is a class A, see this one. Starting number is 20. Starting number 20, class A. Starting number is 20. It is a class A. If you want, you can check. See, first bit is 0. Network purpose 8 bits. Using 8 bits, I represented 20. Because of 20 belongs to class A, first bit automatically becomes 0. Now listen everyone. Now listen everyone. Host part, listen, host part is how many bits? Host part is how many bits? Host part is how many bits? Please give answer to me. Host part is how many bits? 24. See the 24. See the 24 now. See the 24. 8 zeros here. 8 zeros here. See the 24. 8 zeros here. Dot. 8 zeros here. 8 zeros here. Remember, it is a first host. This is the first host. Slowly increase. See this one. Slowly increase. Forget about dot. Forget about dot. Total 24 bits. Forget about dot. Total 24 bits. Can you see the next one? Can you see the next one? Total 24 bits. Don't think much about the dot. Don't think much about the dot. See this one. I think all binary number possibilities. So next bit is 1. Next bit is 2. Next bit is 3. Next bit is going to be 4. It's a 4. All possibilities covering. All possibilities covering. So can anyone help me now? Can anyone help me? How many hosts possible? Can anyone help me? How many hosts possible? With the 24 bits, how many hosts possible? With the 24 bits, how many hosts possible? I want answer from everyone. With the 24 bits, how many hosts possible? 2 power 24. Like that they are going on. See, network part is 20. Right? Network part is 20. This 20 fixed. Network fixed. Hosts are keep on changing. Hosts are keep on changing. How many hosts possible? All zeros to all ones. It will continue. Can you see the last one? All ones. All ones. All ones. But remember, this is 20 only. This is the 20 only. I want to show to you one network contain how many hosts. I want to show to you one network contain how many hosts. That is my intention here. One network contain how many hosts. One network contain how many hosts. Just I want to show to you. Other than this, nothing. Now some people are asking, sir, can you show all of them? I'm showing now. Can you see this? I'm showing this. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. This 24 bits came like this. Now, if you see the first IP, listen. If you see the first IP, as I mentioned to you, one class A network contain 2 power 24 host IP. See this one. See the first one. 20.0.0.0. Next one, if you observe, 20.0.0.1 slowly is increasing. Next one, 20.0.0. This is 2. It is a keep on going like this. 20.0.0.255. Fine. So next one, can you see this one? Interesting answer. Interesting answer. Whenever this reaches 255, it will slowly shift to next octet. It will become 20, 0 dot, it's a 1.0. It became 20.0. 20.0. Slowly, see, slowly one by one. It's a 1. This became 1. Like that, it is keep on oscillating. Lastly, can you see the last one? 20.255. Everyone became 255. Everyone became 255. Everyone became 255. Now I want answer from you. How many IPs? Can you see the only host part? Can you see the only host part? How many IPs? This is the host part. 3 octets are keep on changing. 3 octets are keep on changing. Can you help me now? How many people per host? Is it 2 power 24? 2 power 24. I am asking how many hosts? Network is not changing. Network is not changing. Network 20. Network 20. See, network part I am not changed. Host part only keep on changing. So 2 power 24 IP is possible to this network, which is the class A. See, class A network, that network number is 20. These many hosts possible. 2 power 24 hosts. See, 24 zeros to 24 zeros to 24 ones. 24 zeros to 24 ones. 2 power 24 hosts possible. Now listen everyone. How many people will give the answer to me? Class A network purpose 8 bits. Class A network purpose 8 bits. Please give answer to me. Class A network purpose 8 bits. Can you say what is the first class A network number? Class A purpose 8 bits. Class A network purpose 8 bits. Can you say what is the first network number? Class A, listen, I am writing once again. Class A network purpose 8 bits. 8 bits. I want answer from you. Right? 8 bits. Can you say what is the first network number? What is the answer? 8 zeros. 8 zeros. See this one. Network number we are talking. 8 zeros to 8 ones. Can you help me now? Any chance of class A 8 ones possible? In the class A first octet, 8 1 possible or not? In the class A network first octet, 8 1 possible or not? Remember, everyone required, everyone, see this one, everyone 2 power 24 hosts. Everyone 2 power 24 hosts. Next one, if you observe, see this one, next one, if you observe, 4 zeros followed by 3 zeros followed by 1. This is also one more 2 power 24. Everyone 2 power 24. Every network 2 power 24. So this is 1. This is also 2 power 24. Same way, in the previous slide, whatever way you written, same way. Right, this also, can you help me now? So I think in the class A, in the first octet, 8 ones not possibility 0. 8 ones not possibility 0. So this is fixed. This one you cannot change because it is a class A. You cannot change it. Right, here also 2 power 24. Now, if I simplify, see this one. If I simplify, now I am writing every one lesson. Now I am writing every one lesson. Class 0 network, 2 power 24 possible. Class 1 network, class 1 network, 2 power 24. Class 2 network, 2 power 24. Lastly, listen, lastly, can you see this one? Can you see this one? Lastly, class 126, 2 power 24. Last number, class 127, 2 power 24. So the number of networks, if you see, 7 zeros to 7 ones, 7 zeros to 7 ones, which is 2 power 7. Everyone required 2 power 24, which is required 2 power 31. Is it okay? This is 0. This is 1. This is 127. Class A network, listen, class A network 0, class A network 1, class A network 2, class A network 127. Every network contains 2 power 24 hosts. Eight bits for network purpose. 8 bits for network purpose. 24 bits for host purpose. If you okay, I can stop here. If you are comfortable, 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 I can stop here. Are you okay with this diagram? Are you okay with this diagram? Are you okay with this diagram? Right, next one. Every IP contain how many bits? Every IP contain how many bits? Whichever it is. Every IP contain how many bits? 32. Every IP contain. When you say IP, 32 bits required. Forget about the remaining story. IP means 32 bits. IP means 32 bits. Now I will ask one question. Please give answer. Please give answer to me. Please give answer to me. Please give answer to me. One small question I want to ask you. One small question I want to ask you. See this. See this correctly. See this correctly. Everyone observe one interesting story. Everyone observe one interesting story. Everyone observe one interesting story. This also let me complete. With this everything is fine. This one also let me complete. With this everything is fine. Yeah, let me ask you one small line. Let me ask you one small line. Please give answer. Which class it is? The IP addresses whatever I written. The IP addresses whatever I written. Which class? The IP addresses whichever I written. Can you say which class? A class. A class. A class. A class network part how many bits? The IP addresses whichever I written. By seeing that you can easily say A class. A class means network part how many bits? When you say it is a class, network part how many bits? 8 bits. When you say it is a class, network part 8 bits. Yeah, one fixed okay, but 8 bits are not. Network part purpose 8 bits. Network part purpose 8 bits. Now listen. This is the network. Everyone listen. This is the network. This is the host. Network is 8 bits. Host is 24. It is a host. Network purpose 8 bits. Host purpose 24 bits. See, host purpose 24. 24 zeros. 24 ones. See the answer. Host purpose 24 zeros. 24 ones. 24 ones. Now see the answer. Now see the answer. It's a keep on slowly. See, initially 225 came. Initially 225 came in the last octet. Whenever it is overflow, it will go to next octet. It will go to slowly next octet. It will slowly go like this. It will slowly go like this. So, but this is, I'm talking about, see, I'm talking about network part 20 only. Everyone observe. I'm talking about network part 20 only. I'm talking about only network. Network part 20, hosts are keep on changing. Can you help me now? Total hosts how many here? Total hosts how many here? Total hosts are how many here? Network is 8 people. Network is 8 bits. Network is 8 bits. Host is 24. Host is 24. So total hosts possible is 2 power 24. Total host possible is 2 power 24. Now observe. Observe everyone. Observe everyone. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. See this one. Computer 1. See this one. Computer 1. Computer 1. Assume that this, listen, assume that these 2 power 24 addresses are given to TCS company. 2 power 24 addresses are given to TCS company. What TCS company will do is, for one of the computer, it is assigned the one address. 20, listen, 20, 0.1.0. For one of the computer, this is the IP. For one more computer, 20, listen, every IP required 32 bits. Every IP required 4 octets. Remember, computer number 3, 20.100.100.5. Next one, computer number 4, it is a 20, right? Because TCS company bought only this, right? 2 power 24 host C bought. 20, listen, 20, 55, 60, 70. Like that, listen, like that. How many hosts C can connect? Please help me. How many hosts C can connect? TCS company bought, right, all these IPs. One class A network, they bought. How many computers they can connect? TCS company bought these, listen, one class A network they bought. TCS company bought one class A network. How many hosts they can connect? These many things are not. 2 power 24 hosts you can connect. 2 power 24 hosts they can connect. Now some people are asking, sir, these many computers you connected, sir, we are very happy, right? These many computers you connected, we are very happy. What is, listen everyone now, this network contain 2 power 24 computers. But when you say it is a network, this network contains 2 power 24 IPs or 2 power 24 computer. When you say it is a network which contains these many computers, every network also should have IP address. Every network also required IP address. Every network also required one IP address. Sir, what is the IP of this total network? Remember everyone. Right? Whenever you say it is a network, this network should also having IP address. Sir, what is that IP address, sir? Very simple. Listen, very simple. 20.0.0.0. Remember, host part all zeros. Host part all zeros. Network keep as it is. Host part keep all zeros. This is going to be network ID. Every net should have ID. It is a net ID. It is almost like surname. It is a net ID. You cannot give net ID for host purpose. One of the computer contain net ID. No. One of the computer contain net ID. No. Remember. Net ID contain network ID. Network ID. So first person considered to be network ID. First person considered to be network ID. Last person, see this one, last person. This is the last person. First person considered to be net ID, that is okay. Last person is considered to be, this is the network ID. This is going to be, afterwards I will explain to you, direct broadcast address. Direct broadcast address. Direct broadcast address. These are special people. Please careful. So first IP you cannot use, last IP also you cannot use. They are for special purpose. So can you help me now? Total how many hosts? See this one. 2 power 24 minus 2 hosts minus 2. These many computers you can connect. There are 2 special people. First one, last one you cannot use. First one, last one you cannot use. In every network, listen, any network you take, host part all zeros, host part all ones. You cannot give to any computer. You cannot give to any host. They are meant for special purpose. Host part all zeros, network ID. Host part all ones, direct broadcast address. Direct broadcast address. What is the meaning? Afterwards I will explain. Now it is a correct time to ask you. One class A network. Please give answer. We will stop it. Please give answer. We will stop it. One class A network. How many hosts? One class A network. How many IPs? One class A network. One class A network contain. One class A network contain. How many IP addresses? One class A network contain how many IP addresses? 2 power 24 IP addresses. These many IP addresses are there. But out of those 2 power 24 IP addresses, 2 IP addresses are given special purpose. But remember, 2 power 24 minus 2 host addresses. Total addresses are 2 power 24. But right, 2 addresses you cannot give for a host purpose. 2 power 24 minus 2 host IP addresses. You can give for a host purpose. Host means computer. One class A network contains 2 power 24 IP addresses. Out of those 2 power 24 IP addresses, one IP address, host part all zeros, right? That is given special purpose, network ID. One more IP address, right? Broadcast address. So remaining only you can give for a host purpose. Remember, 2 power 24 all are IP addresses only, but 2 IP addresses are used for special purpose. You cannot give for computer. You cannot give those IPs for computer purpose. Computer means host. So please careful. One class A network contains 2 power 24 IP addresses. Out of them, first one you cannot use, last one you cannot use. So 2 power 24 minus 2 host IP addresses possible. Actual IPs are 2 power 24, host purpose is 2 power 24 minus 2. Is it okay? I am saying one class A network. Kumar, I am saying to you one class A network. One class A network. I am not asking, right? Total class A. All class A contain how many? I am not asking. One class A network contain how many? 2 power 24 IP addresses. Out of them, how many you can use for host? 2 power 24 minus 2. First one you cannot use, last one you cannot use for computer. For host you cannot give, other things you can use. Now listen, little bit if you okay, little bit if you okay. If you okay little bit, can you help me? Can you help me? What about one class B network? Can you do the same story here? One class B network. One class B network contain. I want answer. How many total IP addresses? One class B network contain total IP addresses how many? I think if you see the class B, 16 for network, 16 for host. I think 2 power 16 IP addresses. Host part is 16 bits, 2 power 16 IP addresses. Out of those many IP addresses, all zeros, all ones you cannot use. 2 subtract. 2 power 16 minus 2 host IP addresses. These can be given for host purpose. If they ask you only IP addresses, minus 2 no need to do. If they ask you host IP addresses, how many? 2 power 16 minus 2. I'm talking one class B network. Arey Kumar, don't talk rubbish. Kumar, don't talk rubbish. I'm saying one class B network. You are saying total class B. I written very clearly one class B. I written very clearly one class B. How can you say 2 power 30? How can you say before 2 power 24? Fine. Kumar, you got. Similarly, can you see the last one? One class C network. One class C network contain. One class C network contain. When you say class C, 24, 8. Host purpose 8. So 2 power 8. IP addresses possible. Out of them, first IP, last IP you cannot use. 2 power 8 minus 2. 2 power 8, 256 minus 2, 254. 254 host IP addresses. Is it okay? Is it okay? Can we stop now? Is it okay? Can we stop now? If they say to you IP addresses, no need to do minus. If they ask you simply IP addresses, no need to do -2. If they say host IP addresses, -2 you do. One class A network contain how many IP addresses? 2 power 24. How many host IP addresses? 2 power 24 -2. Because all zeros is special purpose. All ones also special purpose. See, first person network ID. First person network ID. Last person special purpose. We will see afterwards. Last person I didn't use it till now. I will use afterwards. So one class A network contain 2 power 24 IP addresses. Out of them, 2 power 24 -2 I given to computers. 2 addresses I cannot give. Right? First address all zeros. Host part all zeros. That is going to be net ID, network ID. Host part all ones, broadcast address. So we'll see afterwards. We will see afterwards. Is it okay? Bhaiya, is it okay? Can we stop now? Can we stop now? One or two small doubts also there. Small doubts also there. You can ask in the group. Small doubts also there. Ask in the group. Please don't keep doubts in your brain. Please don't keep doubts in your brain. Small doubts also there. Post in the group. Someone is saying that continue. If I continue, some people will die. If I continue, some people will die. You are responsible. Priyoshi, you will go to jail. Is it okay to you? If I continue, some people will some people will die. You are responsible. Are you responsible? Priyoshi, are you responsible? If someone will die, are you responsible? Sayan, are you responsible? Arey dog, Sayan dog. If I continue, someone will die. Are you responsible? Arey Sayan dog. In the class D, class E, there is no division. There is no net ID, there is no host, nothing. They are nothing. Nothing to discuss about those two. Major thing is A, B, C. A class, B class, C class. D and E, only for namesake. D and E, only for namesake. That's what I am saying. Srishti madam, D class, E class, only for namesake. It is like governor and president. D class, E class, governor and president and one more thing is what? Who is the president? Yeah, president and one more person. Deputy president. President and deputy president. Only for namesake. They are nothing to do. I don't know what purpose they are. I don't know. They are like president and deputy president. That's what I am saying. Srishti madam, they are like president and deputy president. They are like president and deputy president. Namesake. Someone is saying vice president. Exactly. Thank you, Subham. Thank you. You saved my life. Thank you so much. You saved my life. Shubham Bhaiya, thank you. Can we stop now? Can we stop now? Yeah, let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. So if anyone is preparing for 2026 GATE exam or 27 GATE exam, you can go for 1 year course or 2 year course. If you are writing 2025 GATE exam, you can go for crash course, or you can go for RIC course. Right? Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Namaskar. Namaskar Bhaiya. Srishti Madam, Namaskar. Neha Madam, Namaskar. Ashwini Bhaiya, Namaskar. Namaskar Bhaiya. Bai Behan, Namaskar. Chalo. Good night. Chalo. Yeah, Cyan Dog, Namaskar. Cyan Dog, Namaskar. There is a one Cyan Dog is there. Cyan Dog, Namaskar. Thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you. Those people who didn't like, those people who didn't subscribe, who didn't like, go to hell. Go to hell. If you don't like, if you don't subscribe, go to hell.